Hi, welcome to the Scholastic Literacy Pro onboarding video for students. In this video, you will learn about Literacy Pro, its benefits, steps to log in, and its amazing key features. Literacy Pro is a research-based blended literacy program supporting your school's literacy goals. The program is individualized to encourage you to read books that are matched to your reading ability, allowing you to gain valuable reading practice and build comprehension skills. Literacy Pro is powered by Lexile, a reading metric system. It starts by identifying a student's reading level in Lexile. Students might be the same age but have very different reading levels. It can vary just as much as their shoe sizes. Literacy Pro accurately determines your reading level with a Lexile assessment called LitPro Test. The higher the Lexile measure, the higher your level in reading comprehension. Books can also be measured on the Lexile scale. After the LitPro test, Literacy Pro generates a list of personalized book titles that reflects your reading level and interests. Research shows that when students read at their targeted level, their literacy skills improve. After reading a book, take the book quiz to check your comprehension. As your comprehension increases, your Lexile score improves, and you can read even more challenging books. To use Scholastic Literacy Pro, log in via Scholastic Learning Zone or SLZ. Key in your username and password. Next, under My Zone, tap on the Literacy Pro icon to proceed. Scholastic Literacy Pro offers an interactive program onboarding for all users. Tap the green question mark icon at the top right to activate it. The product tour introduces you to the program and guides you to understand the functionality of the program. The What Would You Like to Do Today prompts you to decide which activity you would like to focus within the program. Scholastic Literacy Pro offers amazing features to students. To find out your reading level in Lexile, take the LitPro test. Read the test instructions carefully, and then click here to start the test. Read the directions to learn how to navigate within the test. Click Let's Get Started to proceed. For each question, read the sentence or paragraph and tap on the best answer. To go to the next question, simply click Next. You will receive your Lexile score at the end of the test. To get a list of personalized book titles that match to your Lexile level, tap here. You can choose up to 3 topics of reading interests to receive a personalized list of book titles that suits your reading level in Lexile. To read a book, simply click the Read Book button to open up the e-reader.
Chapter 1, Mysteries from History. Jaime is always saying stupid stuff like that. You want it, we've got it. That's what the big white sign outside Perez Flea Market says.
After reading the book, take the book quiz to check your comprehension. Click on this button to proceed. The search page allows you to look for more books for independent reading. Use the filter on the left to refine your book search. My Results page helps you to keep track of your personal reading progress and motivate you to read extensively. The LitPro Comprehension Skills Test assesses your proficiency and progress in critical reading comprehension skills. Your teacher will assign the test to you to see how well you are reading at different points within the school year. Each test assesses you on these 10 critical reading comprehension skills. The types of questions in each test include multiple choice, match lists, true or false, drag and drop, classification, and fill in the blanks. Click here to take the test. Next, click Start to proceed. To view your report card, tap on My Results on your left. The report card gives you a summary of your progress and results in the 10 critical reading comprehension skills. Scholastic Literacy Pro will benefit you tremendously. Literacy Pro identifies your reading ability in Lexile level and matches you to the right books which you can read and understand. The program generates a list of personalized book titles with quizzes based on your reading level and interests. The program also allows you to keep track and monitor your personal reading growth to keep you motivated to read extensively. In short, Scholastic Literacy Pro assesses your reading proficiency and empowers you to engage and advance your reading so that you will be able to achieve both reading and learning success.